What's up, guys? So I was at Costco the other day and I spotted this GoPro Hero 8 Black bundle. It was a really good deal. They had it for $289, which was $100 off the regular price. It came with this floater handle, a couple of mounts, USB-C type cable, 2 batteries, 32 gigabyte micro SD card, the SD card adapter, the GoPro itself, and last but not least, this travel pouch to fit everything in, and possibly a few other things. I thought it was a really good deal. Actually, I knew it was a really good deal because one, it's from Costco and they back your purchase up, and two, it's the newest and greatest from GoPro. It's got 4K 60 recording, 8x slow motion, time warp, 1080p live streaming. My favorite feature of them all, though, is this Hyper Smooth 2.0. It almost feels like the camera is built in, or is built on a gimbal. Super steady shots everywhere you go. That's going to be a huge perk for stuff I'm doing when I'm outdoors, you know, enjoying the environment, kind of like I am here today. So that's why I figured I bring this out here to open it up and see what's all in here together. Alright, here's the box it comes in itself. Very simple packaging. It's basically just in this plastic bag. Looks like someone already ripped it. And a little bit of tape holding it on there. So let's open it up. Alright, get that out of the way. And again, here's all the features it has and everything. Front of it. Nice compact little box. It feels like, you can see there probably, it's not even flat, so it feels like there's a little too much in there than there should be for the size of the box, but hey, no complaints about that, huh? Alright, so let's open this guy up. Again, compact. Feels sturdy though. Got a nice little handle on it. Everything fits in there just right. Alright, wow. So here's the micro SD cable, or USB-C cable, 2 batteries. These are the new blue style. The older GoPro batteries would fit on here, but these, I guess, are a little more capable to power this camera because it can use a higher draw when you're using the HyperSteady 2.0. So you can use your old GoPro batteries from the 5, 6, and 7, but you'll miss out on some of the features that make this GoPro a little better. Here's the mount, just a standard style. Another one. And here we have this cardboard to kind of eat up some space. Here's the floater handle. This thing's got a nice little grip to it too, so you can wrench down on it when you're trying to hold on steady. And you even have the little lanyard, so it's really not going anywhere. There's that. In here we got some paperwork and GoPro Plus, etc. Never enough paperwork. Here we got the 32 gigabyte SanDisk Gold card. This is a nicer one. It's gonna be able to capture all this footage in it at its best settings. 32 gigabytes is a decent amount, but you might want to get a bigger card if you're doing a lot of recording. Here's the GoPro itself. Get this out of the way. Yeah, this thing is, they never cease to amaze me how tiny they are. This year especially, they made them a little smaller because the lens is not removable anymore, but what you do get is this built-in mount. So right down here, used to have to put the GoPro in a cage and do all that, but now it's all just built in here, so you can't remove the lens, but the package itself is smaller. There's a microphone right there built in and a touch screen in the back. Here on the side, flop that down here. Oh, comes right off for other accessories. That's where you're going to put your micro SD card, the battery obviously, and here's where you charge it and sync it up to the computer and whatnot. If you want to, I'll add that on later. If you want to connect this to a microphone, you have to get their little media mod accessory, which is another thing to buy, but it's not that expensive. From what I've seen online though, the built-in mic on this is actually pretty good. There's this front-facing one and then another one down here, and it's got the wind blocker feature and a lot of wind noise, which definitely happens. Let's get this lens cover off. Listen to that. It's the best sound. Now let's do the little screen. Awesome. Oh, one more. It's a big one. Look forward to doing that more than anything else. Alright, so that's going to do it for this. I'm going to go ahead and run this thing through its paces, do some testing against this Osmo Pocket that I'm actually recording this on, and see which one I prefer. I already did the Osmo Pocket versus GoPro Hero 5 Black on a gimbal, but I'm going to compare it versus this, not on a gimbal, just the camera itself versus the Osmo Pocket. Alright, till next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.